आपको शेयर किया है। आप ही के बच्चे, these are the students whose work can be shown to the global perspective by using this AI.
No, if I say
Yes.
Sega Saka. Now if I come in, we can do now. You know Bravo?
Yes.
BROVO.
उनको उस
who is the English native speaker. And thus we all are one or two, Mr. Iwan? English native? No. So only I think Mr. Jim as the English native speaker.
And we can't do here in the Madrasi, we'll have to go to Pindi, Islamabad or somewhere in a big city. I said, okay.
this promote scouting and events. So
सफाई इसमें हमने वैल्यू में लिखा है पार्ट ऑफ सेंस
अगर वो कमेटी
यू हैव टू से राम्रो लाग्यो
Malaka, who are you? Malaka, who are you? We are the scout. We are the scout.
useful and good citizens. We are living in a
GOOD. You got a good batch, less than 2 years. Please take time to read the
Pakistan are extremely friendly and they are devoted to the idea of service.
If you don't try hard, you're through.
Droughts. That moves against the people are very much veteran scouter. Veteran means experienced scouter. So they know the kind how.
आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता। आगे आ जाता है डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन, क्योंकि आजकल डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम के अंदर हम लोगों ये वही कपड़े जो तुमने दिए थे मुझे याद है?
This one we would need, we don't have resources for that. This one.
Hey, camarada! Hey! Naomi, camarada! Hey!
Give me sign.
Are you ready?
Excuse me. Please. Excuse me.
In 1907, Baden Powell held
More deeply, you realize more deeply, you realize more sense.
Follow after me, repeat after me. Daya! 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 Daya Khuda! Daya
who is the English native speaker. And thus we all are one or two, Mr. Iwan? English native? No. So only I think Mr. Jim as the English native speaker, thus we all have adopted it to communicate because this is a part of our education as well. So as far as now youth policy is concerned, the next is the session objectives. Today, whatever we talk about, that is youth program, and next is 4 elements of youth program. The 30.
If you don't try hard, your troop or your community never respect you. Right? If you try hard, think critically, and analyze the situation, that can only get respect from others. Right? If you are lazy, first, what is opposite of lazy? Opposite of lazy. Laziness? No, diligence. Diligence. Due diligence. Okay? If you are lazy, nothing happens. That's diligence. So think about yourself. Am I diligent? Okay, I only cook for others. You must be diligent. You must get along.
Now it's quite common. We can do now. You know Bravo?
Yes.
Bravo. Bravo. See? Now. Let's get together. 1, 2, 3. B. R. O. B. O. Bravo. All right.
Sir, please repeat.
Go down in history.
सोहनी धरती अल्लाह रखे कदम कदम माँ बाप कदम कदम माँ बाप तुझे कदम कदम माँ बाप तुझे सोहनी धरती अल्लाह रखे
आपको शेयर किया है, आप ही के बच्चे, these are the students whose work can be shown to the global perspective by using this AI. जी बेटा।
Excuse me, you have to say please. And when I said please, you have to say excuse me, okay? Or just like hi and hello. Excuse me. Hi. Please.
Please.
Excuse me.
Please.
Please.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Please.
Please.
Excuse me. Please.
Please.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Okay, here, going to what? It's not a dance. But we don't know about the dance in this. But it's a song about Manmohan. Manmohan is not only a song, but a reflection of the culture, tradition, and the heritage of Nepal. Keeping the beat of Dhime, an authentic Nepali instrument which carries a lot of history in itself. As the core of the song, other traditional and ethnic instruments such as Madal and Sarangi has also been included in the composition of this song. The Nepali ethnic instrument has been used for generations for playing in traditional festivals, jatras and rituals of Nepal such as Kumari Jatra, Pulokisi Jatra, Jhauri dance, Hitangisi Chalia dance, Jhatri dance, Lakhi dance, Dhime dance and much more. Keeping this perspective, it is also presented through this song. I also want to emphasize on the preservation and promotion of Nepali music, Nepali culture and Nepali instruments globally. Thank you very much. This song. Thank you very much. Knowledge about the practicum. So, are you ready? Ready. Are you ready? Balle, for the honor of Rekat sir, scout, balle, clap. Scout, balle, clap.
G-O-O-D! Good! G-O-O-D! Good! G-O-O-D! Good! G-O-O-D! Good! G-O-O-D! Good!
With the gracious name of Allah Almighty, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Quaid-e-Azam's everlasting message for Scouts. Scouting can play a vital role in forming the character of our youth, promoting their physical, mental, and spiritual development and making them well-disciplined, useful, and good citizens. We are living in a far from perfect world. Despite the progress of civilization, the law of the jungle unfortunately still prevails. Might is considered right, and the strong do not refrain from exploiting the weak. Self-advancement, greed, and lust for power sway the conduct of the individuals as they of nation. Thank you.
अच्छा जी अभी हम सिंधी जो है वो यल देंगे सिंधी यल तो सिंधी यल हाउ इट इज प्रेजेंट हम कहेंगे किवे साईं आप सबने कहना है जीवे साईं आई से किवे साईं आई से
leader for the honorable person. Sign, the term is sign. Yes.
आई से किवे साईं यू से जीवे साईं जीवे साईं
हम कहेंगे आप बोले हम कहेंगे
हाँ जी किवे साईं
जीवे साईं जीवे साईं
किवे साईं
जीवे साईं
किवे साईं
जीवे साईं
Stop, let go.
Thank you, sir.
Umalaka Chingalaka, who are you?
Umalaka Chimalaka, who are you?
We are the Scouts.
We are the Scouts.
Flying so high.
Flying so high.
Cannot you see?
Cannot you see?
Scout clap, let go.
Camarada! Hey! Naomi, camarada! Hey! Give me an O, camarada! Spell it out! Much better. Thank you.
This one we would need, we don't have resources for that. This one.
Motion is online. Please, everyone.
Which training method is applicable in training leaders? So, we wrote the demonstration. The demonstration method is the best method. The second one is, question is, which training method are best for teaching skills? तो टीचिंग स्किल के लिए पहले लेक्चर और लेक्चर होता है दोनों ही बेस्ट है इसके लिए ये बेस्ट इसलिए है मतलब पहले आप स्टूडेंट को इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे लेक्चर के जरिए फिर आपने इस लेक्चर को इन्वॉल्व करेंगे टॉक के जरिए तो इसलिए हमने ये लेक्चर होता है टॉक लिखा है व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ग्रुप वर्क एंड ट्रेनिंग स्कॉप लीडर तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट पॉइंट facilitate each participant or the second one is personal involvement.
In 1907, Baden-Powell held the first scouting encampment on Brownsea Island, marking the birth of the scouting movement. His book, Scouting for Boys, published in 1908, outlined the principles and practices of Scouting, emphasizing the importance of teamwork, leadership, and self-reliance. Through Scouting, Baden Powell aimed to empower young people with essential life skills, values, and a sense of social responsibility. His vision has inspired millions of young people worldwide, fostering a culture of volunteerism, mutual respect, and environmental stewardship. Lord Baden Powell's spirit of service, contribution to humanity is a shining example for all of us. His legacy reminds us that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact when guided by compassion, empathy, and commitment to the greater good. As we reflect on Baden Powell's remarkable life and achievements, let us grow inspiration from his selfless spirit and strive to make a positive difference in our own communities. So let's pledge that we will follow him, carry on his message, and try to leave this world a better place for future generations. Thank you all.
Go, Jack, let's go.
कौन से होटल में जाना तुमने? तुम कौन से होटल में जाना पसंद करोगे? पिज़्ज़ा कुछ और खाते हैं, KFC चलते हैं। पिज़्ज़ा खा लें। आज के समय मुझे मजा बड़ा आ रहा है, क्यों ना हम पिज़्ज़ा हट पे चलते हैं, ठीक है?
वो पहले ना जो मैंने दी थी।
क्या बात है? ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे चलते हैं, ऐसे करके ऐसे। हेलो। ये वही कपड़े जो तुमने दिए थे मुझे याद है? जल्दी से चलो इधर बैठते हैं, इधर पीछे देखो।
ओके। आज मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाऊंगी।
अच्छा बैठो किधर है? बैठो किधर है?
अच्छा आपको क्या चाहिए?
क्या? चलो
भाई एक पिज़्ज़ा। मैंने पिज़्ज़ा और साथ पास्ता and four drinks.
मेरी जान बात सुनो।
क्या कुछ ही
हाँ कॉफी ला दूँगी तुमको।
ओके।
तुम्हें पसंद है ना?
चलो मेरी
चलेंगे। इधर से तुम इतने दिन आज बड़ी बार नजर आई मुझे।
बहुत मिस किया।
मैं कुछ बड़ा मिस कर रहा था तुम्हें। मेरी जान मुझे टेबल पे प्लेस ऐसे नहीं करते। पिज़्ज़ा खाओ।
आपके लिए भी जान में कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ। किसी को क्या है? इनके आगे किसी को नहीं।
इधर करेंगे तो यही हो जाएगा, यही हो जाएगा। अच्छा तो ये बताओ क्या खाना तुमने? पहले पिज़्ज़ा आ गया ना?
पिज़्ज़ा पास्ता।
पिज़्ज़ा खाएंगे चलो।
मुझे कोका खिलाएं।
मैं खुद बोतल खिलाता हूँ अपने हाथ से।
हाय चलो आप ही नहीं है ना साथ।
नहीं कौन हो?
ये कौन है?
तुम कौन हो?
तुम कौन? इधर क्या कर रहे हो?
कौन हो? कौन हो?
आप कौन हो? क्या कर रहे हो? ये कौन है? आप कौन है?
जल्दी मैं नहीं जानता।
आप कौन है? मैं जानता
बस हो गया
It is a message for misunderstanding. Both are because only just I came in here just for misunderstanding, dating, and just for praying for video, making a video for praying. Therefore, we create misunderstanding.
ये जो प्रोग्राम हुआ, ये दूसरी लड़की आई, उसने जस्ट प्रैंक किया कि उधर कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, जिस वजह से हम दोनों में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट की, जिसमें मेरा ब्रेकअप हो गया. थैंक यू.
Shake it, Saka!
Ideas, that it will be very nice because this is a kind of theory,
Yes.
practical one. Maybe we can group work or something we can develop so that Pakistan Boy Scout Association, the effect is there, so no worries. Your association, your own association, your own group, it can be successful and very much. Without having vision, there is no plan, no action. In today's presentation was so good.
No, if I say,
Yes.
sing a Saka, you say, hoi, hoi, hoi.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Sing a Saka.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
Sing a Saka.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
You have to say Ramro Lagyo.
Ramro Lagyo.
It means, how is it? Nice. In Nepali way. Okay. You don't understand?
No. Yes.
Repeat.
Repeat again. Repeat. What I'm saying?
Repeat it. Tell Kosto Lagyo.
Kasto Lagyo.
Kosto Lagyo. You have to tell Ramro Lagyo.
Ramro Lagyo.
means nice.
Ramo Layo.
Okay?
Ramo Layo.
So,
Ramo Layo.
Mr. Ivan, he was a very important course for ALG.
Yeah.
That's why I want to give him a L. Kosto Lagyo.
Ramo Layo.
Kosto Lagyo.
Ramo Layo.
Course, attention. For the honor of Mr. Ivan, present arm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hands down. Thank you very much.
Scouts left, let's go!
You got the wood badge less than 2 years. Please take time to read the scholarship. It's very short. It's funny. To introduce you what is scouting and what scout leaders do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And the reference.
Sir, what stand for WSM?
Now all those are
World Organization Scout.
yes. Now all those reference are good for trainer.
Organization Scouts Movement.
All those reference are not for general people.
Yes.
Very specific for leader training in scouting. If you read through all these 5 Scout badge training policy,
World Scout Movement.
may be more familiar with this. What a wood badge holder should have learned.
What stand for WSM?
See? And the wood badge framework, all in the training policy. The wood badge policy. And lastly, scholarship. Have you go through this one? Scholarship. It's very interesting.
Yes.
Particularly for new scouters. If those you got the wood badge less than 2 years, please take time to read the scholarship. It's very short. It's funny. To introduce you what is scouting and what scout leaders do. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And the reference.
Sir, what stand for WSM?
Now all those are
World Organization Scout.
yes. Now all those reference are good for trainer.
Organization Scouts Movement.
All those reference are not for general people.
Yes.
Very specific for leader training in Scouting. If you read through all these 5, then you could be an expert. Yes. Take some, if you like it, take some time to study it. Study them.
सफाई इसमें हमने वैल्यू में लिखा है पार्ट ऑफ सेंस, हेल्थ, एटीट्यूड में लिखा है इफेक्टिव बिहेवियर, स्किल में हमने ये लिखा है नॉलेज, कॉन्फिडेंट, पर्सनल ग्रोथ, नॉलेज में हमने ये लिखा है सेल्फ लर्निंग एंड एक्सपीरियंस.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now, from the oceans, they will propose value is part of the faith, but how do you carry out this in the course? If you have this in mind, but how to put it into practice, how it works. For example, you may do every day you have a morning exercise or morning inspection.
Yes, sir.
You can do this. Put it, now this is the thinking, but you have to put it into practice. Right? This exercise just telling you put your thinking into practice. I don't want you the whole thing. No, no worry. How about the
Inspection. Inspection. Morning inspection. Morning inspection.
हमारा वाला हमेशा कंट्रोवर्शियल ही रहा है.
Promote scouting and events. So, encourage participants to join jamborees and online games and other activities. So,
providing good opportunities. I think this will be our focus is we have in our CLT course. We will provide good opportunities to our youth.
More aware of Scouting International. We're getting it involved. How is the community service going to do that?
Digital communication is the most important in this one. First one is digital communication, then activities.
Digital communication. Pattern is emerging. Pattern is emerging. The digital function seems to be working very much here. Let's put a circle on that one. Digital communications. Anything else that's workshops and meetings, talk about, show, demonstrate about international scouting. What about engagement in practical work, local partnerships, activities, community service?
आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता. आगे आ जाता है डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन, क्योंकि आजकल डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम के अंदर हम लोगों को इसमें इन्वॉल्व करेंगे तो तब जाके हम आगे आ जाते हैं. यूथ लीडरशिप इन्वॉल्वमेंट को इसमें शामिल करेंगे. और आखिर में आ जाता है मेंटोरिंग. दूसरों की मेंटोरिंग करना, दूसरों को कन्विंस करेंगे, उनको इसके बारे में आगाही देंगे तो ये प्रोग्राम हमारा कामयाब हो सकता है. तो नीचे एक शेर मैंने लिखा है, चमक रहा है खेमा रोशन दूर सितारे सा, चमक रहा है खेमा रोशन दूर सितारे सा, दिल की कश्ती तैर रही है खुले आसमान समुद्र.
रिस्क ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं होता, रिस्क बरकत वाला जरूरी होता है. थोड़े पैसे हों बरकत वाले हो जाएं. दोस्त ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं होते, दोस्त मुखलिस जरूरी होते हैं.
Yes,
Droughts. That moves against the direction of the water. Because the person who really creates his own world, he is a unique, he is a leader. The people are very much veteran scouter. Veteran means experienced scouter. So they know the kind how to balance the people, how to avoid the ball getting.
अगर वो कम्युनिटी या कल्चरल जो अवेयरनेस है, जो काफ़ी मामला हैं या काफ़ी जो उसके मिसाइल हैं या जो उसके असर हैं या जो उस तमाम निज़ाम को जानता है तो उसमें लीडर बढ़ सकता है। नहीं ولنا أعمالنا ولكم أعمالكم ونحن له مخلصون أم تقولون إن إسماعيل وإسحاق ويعقوب والأسباط كانوا هودا أو نصارى قل أأنتم أعلم أم الله ومن أظلم ممن كتم.
Obviously, in your unit leader training, you have covered the fundamentals of scouting. In your wood bench training, you have covered the fundamentals of scouting.
Problem. It would be done, how much time I thought it would be done in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. The principal said no, we want not in the 3 weeks, we want in the 3 days. So this was the printing involved, in fact, and we can't do here in the Batrasi, we'll have to go to Pindi, Islamabad or somewhere in a big city. I said okay, but what principal did, in fact, he himself displayed the dedication and the commitment. We prepared the forecast, and I still remember it was Saturday. Today is Sunday, the last Saturday. Last Saturday I left Batrasi, went to the press. The whole Saturday I worked in the press, designed it, compiled everything, and it was 9:24, I still remember, 9:24 p.m. I sent the final copy to the principal, and it was 11 o'clock when principal sent me back after the feedback of the CC, along with Professor Javed Akhtar Max review. He said that no, you do it again and let's finish the task by tomorrow. Tomorrow was Sunday. I told sir the press is closed now because it was.
I to ज़्यादा होने का मतलब क्या है? You think more deeply, you realize more deeply, you realize more sense.
So Pakistan are extremely friendly, and they are devoted to the idea of service, hospitality. I did not feel like a stranger from the moment I entered Pakistan. Scout left, let's go.
उनको खुशामदीद कहे। चलो बादशाह सलामत, तुसी बादशाह हो कि मरासी हो?
ਬਾਦਸ਼ਾਹ ਤੇ ਮਰਾਸੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਫਰਕ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਤੂੰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ 100 ਰੁਪਇਆ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕਿਉਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ?
बादशाह सलामत, तुसी बादशाह हो, 100 रुपए का हिसाब कहते हो?
ਉਹ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪੇ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਵਾ।
ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸ 100 ਰੁਪਏ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੁਣ।
बादशाह सलामत, जेड़ा तुसी 100 रुपया कल दिता सी, ओ तुहानू कल क्रीम लिया के दिती सी जेड़ी रात नू तुसी अपने मुंह दे लाए सी।
ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕਰੀਮ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਸੀ? ਮੇਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੀ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਉਹ ਛਾਲੀ ਕਰੀਮ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ।
बादशाह सलामत, वो दुकानदार ने आख्या सी कि सावले रंग नू कल चिट्टा करेगी, ना कि काले रंग नू चिट्टा करेगी। बादशाह सलामत, जान के अमान पाऊं तो एक बात कहूं।
हाँ जी, भोगो।
बादशाह सलामत, कभी ना भी लिया करो, बड़ी सी बो आती है तुम्हारे
ਉਹ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕਤਾ, ਉਹ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ। ਓਏ ਫਿਰ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਠੰਡਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਠੰਡੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਗੁੱਡ ਨਾ ਬਦਤਮੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਹਿਜ਼ਾਦਾ ਸਲੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ।
शहजादा सलीम हाजिर हो।
ਸ਼ਹਿਜ਼ਾਦਾ ਸਲੀਮ
जी बाजूर हाजिर
ਐਂਡੇ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ?
बादशाह सलामत, मैं एक कुड़ी को गया था।
ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਕੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ?
अनारकली को।
ਉਹ ਨਾਲ ਕਲੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਆ, ਤੂੰ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ?
वो अनारकली मेरे नाल प्यार करती है।
ਉਹ ਚਾਰ ਅਬੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੂੰ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ?
ना ना
ਅਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ।
अनारकली हाजिर हो।
ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਆ। ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਦਾ। ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਆ। ਮੈਂ
अनारकली मेरी है।
ਓਏ ਅੱਬੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ
अनारकली मेरी है।
ਮੈਂ ਜਾਇਦਾਦ ਤੋਂ ਫਰਕ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ। ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਆ, ਮੈਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਗੈਰ ਰਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ। ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰਾ। ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਯੋ ਨਾਰਕਲੀ ਇੱਧਰ ਆਓ ਨਾ।
देखो तो नहीं है कौन है और ना कर दिया देखो तो नहीं है
बड़ा मैं तो कोचे मैं तुझको पिशावर नहीं गिराया कहा जंगल के मंगल करेगा